Aotearoa Tour.
Now, we're going to take the listeners on a bit of a musical journey. You know, there might be first-timers to the sub-tribe movement. Who's that? What's this waiata about?
This is a bit of a lovers type of track, bro, and the way that we write some of our waiata is my bro Tommy John Herbert. He's from Titahi Bay. He's the Ngāti Tōranga Tita link there for us. And, he basically does all the production. He writes the beats. And with this particular one, he sent me the beat with the chorus on it. So he's doing the chorus. And as soon as I got that chorus, bro, I knew it was going to be a lover's banger. So, and that's how I basically write, you know, some of my kupu, bro. I don't put too much thought into my kupu unless it's a real conscious track. But with these type of tracks, you know, I like to keep it nice, light-hearted. Yeah, bro. So that's the background to that waiata, bro. And it's got a nice bit of bass behind that one too.
Yeah, let's jam a bit of that bass. It's Sub-Tribe with Who's That? Here at Aotearoa Tour, Mauturu Mai.
Aotearoa Tour.